Check this out, the VOSKER VKX security camera, solar powered, cellular connectivity, and I'm going to show you 5 spots at your cottage that you should be monitoring. All right, first things first, you don't normally forget to lock your cottage, but you might forget to lock the boathouse or even the dock. And this can be where some of the most expensive gear is sitting. One of the coolest things about the VKX is there's no wires running to the waterfront. Strap it to a post, point it at the dock, and you're done. You'll get a motion alert on your phone if anybody approaches, even if you're in the city. I'm telling you, this unit is weather resistant, it's solar powered, even in partially shaded areas, that battery is charging. Okay, now if someone's heading onto your property through a trail, this is where you're gonna catch them first, way before they get to the cottage. There's no power out here in the bush, and that's why the VKX is built this way. Solar power, cellular data, totally self-sufficient. So with the Sense AI, it can really tell the difference between a person walking on a trail and a branch blowing in the wind, which is so important because then it only sends you what matters. That, combined with the 100-foot detection range, this thing's unstoppable. Next on the list, off-road vehicle storage. Snowmobiles, ATVs, dirt bikes, people spend thousands on this stuff, and then they leave it at the cottage with zero security. One of the best things about the VOSKER VKX is how portable it is. In the summer, you watch over your ATVs and your dirt bikes, and then in the winter, you move it to watch over your snowmobiles. It takes like 30 seconds to move this thing. So this cool front door access panel means not having to move the camera if I need to get to the battery, but honestly, with 6 months battery life, put that thing in at the start of the season, set it and forget it. What about your garden shed? Your tool storage? There's a couple thousand in there worth keeping an eye on. This area is usually behind the cottage. Out of sight, easy to forget, easy for someone to sneak up on. But when the night vision reaches up to 100 feet, you're covered. Middle of the day, middle of the night, there's no poking around here. Having a long driveway like this can actually be a huge security advantage. You're gonna know someone's on your property minutes before they even reach the cottage. First, you're gonna get a motion alert to your phone, which is gonna be a 3-frame preview. After that, you can request a full 15-second HD clip. Whether you're at your cottage or back in the city, you're keeping an eye on your place. This thing is super cool. You don't need any Wi-Fi, all notifications pushed to an app, and the zones are all totally customizable. You want peace of mind? Get yourself the VOSKER VKX.